Hello, everyone. Welcome to Hill Murray. My name is Kelly Barbato, and I'm the director of our middle school. I am on our beautiful grounds on a beautiful fall day in an outdoor space that was provided by one of our former students who did his Eagle project. Our middle school is vibrant and filled with caring and energetic teachers who will challenge you both in your physical, mental, spiritual, and social growth. We love that you want to explore different areas within our curriculum, and so we have provided 21 different electives for you to choose from. We also have middle school only activities after school, both athletic and non athletic, including sports teams all 3 seasons, 2 robotics teams, a middle school only theater program, and one special program, which is our Scholastic Challenge for our 6th and 8th graders, in which the last 7 years our students have taken top honors in the state of Minnesota. We love to have a lot of fun in middle school too and provide a program through transitions with our web leaders. Those are students in grades 10 and 11 who work hand in hand during transition periods for all of our 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. You'll hear more about that in today's video. Coming up this Saturday is our first socially distanced middle school movie night on our jumbo scoreboard in our stadium. Our first middle school cabaret of the year is also coming up, showcasing Beatles tunes in October. We hope you will choose to be a part of our community and hope to see you all soon. Go Pioneers!